Hello, and thank you for purchasing another premium Bestway product. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how to set up and maintain your new splash and play pool. Please keep in mind, this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. Please note, Bestway sells many different product combinations. Not all the items covered in this video will apply to your product. To determine the accessories included with your pool, refer to the pool package. The most important step in setting up your pool is selecting a solid, level location. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Now, spread out the pool. Check that the inlet and outlet valves are positioned correctly for the filter pump and that a plug is accessible. Also, make sure the drain valve seal is securely fastened. To prevent water from escaping when filling the pool, insert the stopper plugs into the inlet and outlet valves. Now, insert the top rails into the pool sleeves. Follow the assigned alphabetical sequence. Line up the holes in the sleeve with the holes on the rails. Using the C connectors, connect all the top rails together. The pool has started to take shape, and it's time to assemble the legs. Insert the U supports through the pole supports on the bottom of the pool. Connect the ends of the U supports into the exposed holes on the top rails. You can begin to fill your pool. Once there is an inch of water in the pool, remove any wrinkles from the liner. Work from the center outwards to the pool walls. This is critical to ensure your pool will sit correctly and experience a long life. For customers with pool packages containing Bestway pool accessories and a filter pump, continue to the next section. For customers without filter pumps, be advised swimming pool water must be maintained. We highly recommend you purchase a Bestway Flow Clear filter pump to keep pool water clean and extend your pool's lifespan. The following information is intended for 330, 530, and 800-gallon filter pump installation. Begin by inspecting that the filter cartridge is centered in the filter pump. Before closing the pump, check that the filter cap seal is in place. Attach the hoses to the filter and tighten the hose clamps. Now connect the hoses to the pool. Make sure the hoses correspond to the letters A to A and B to B on both the filter pump and the pool. Reach inside and remove the stopper plugs. This allows water to flow to the filter pump. Save the stopper plugs for pool and pump maintenance. Place the debris screen into the pool's inlet and outlet valve. With the hoses and the debris screens in position, tighten the hose clamp. Finally, unscrew the air purge and release any trapped air from the system. Your pump is ready for use. Simply plug it in. Warning: never run the filter pump when the pool is in use. Cleaning and maintaining your filter pump is recommended every 2 weeks. Begin by unplugging the filter pump. Next, replace the debris screens with the stopper plugs to prevent water flowing to the filter pump. Remove the filter cartridge and rinse it clean. It is recommended to replace filter cartridges every 2 weeks. Check your local retailer for Bestway replacement filters. Replace the filter cartridge, ensuring it is centered. Check that the filter cap seal is in place and close the filter pump. Next, replace the stopper plugs with the debris screens, which will allow water to flow to the filter pump. Tighten the hose clamps. And finally, unscrew the air purge to release any trapped air from the system. Ladder assembly. To assemble the steps, start with bracing pipe A. Make sure the leg curves outwards. Align the steps and slide the retention bracket into position. Completely insert the pegs. Make sure the arrows line up. Continue with the remaining steps, ensuring all components correspond A to A and B to B. With the bottom sections complete, attach both knight heads to one of the bottom sections. Next, attach the curved handles and insert the screws, but do not tighten. Connect the remaining set of steps and screw all the components securely together. Attach the warning panels. Test for stability. Cleaning and maintaining your pool. Some Bestway pools come with an interchangeable pool maintenance kit. To assemble the maintenance tools, simply snap the spring-loaded pins into the pre-drilled holes. With the pole assembled, you can install the skimmer head to remove floating debris from the pool. Use the vacuum with your garden hose to clean the pool walls and floor. The running water activates the vacuum and pushes debris into the collection bag. Once you have cleaned the pool, remove the collection bag and rinse it. To drain your pool, unscrew the drain valve cover and simply attach your garden hose to the provided adapter. Place the other end of the hose in a drain area. Screw the adapter into the valve. This opens the valve and releases the water. At the end of the season, it is important to completely clean and dry your pool and other components before storage. We recommend a wet dry vac to thoroughly dry the filter pump and hoses. To further enhance the lifespan of the filter cap seal, coat the seal with petroleum jelly. Store the pool and other components in a warm, dry place. All of these simple steps will ensure your Bestway pool has a long life. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website at www.bestway-service.com or call our toll-free number for your region. Thanks for watching.